As we come close to the inaugural session, and good news to you all, tea is after just in another 10 minutes. I'd now like to invite Raj Kaladi, Managing Director, PMI India, to come and provide closing remarks on this session. Raj is a person with over 28 years of experience in primarily education field and technology related to education, but I know that he wouldn't want me to talk about that. He's already looking at me, so he's going to beat me up later. He's a very strong believer in teamwork, and that he's a very strong believer that people are the final resource that makes any project successful. And this is very evident from the way he interacts with all the volunteers and all the chapters for any of the conferences. He's awake all the time. He's very approachable. So he's going to come and give his closing remarks. Raj.
The good part of being the last speaker is that whatever you have to speak, the other speakers have already spoken before you. So you don't have much to say. But having said that, just a few remarks from what the speakers have said. Normally when I speak at events, at various events, I keep reiterating the fact that project management is just not a professional skill, it's a life skill. I know a fact that there is a practitioner who's not here with us right now, but a very passionate volunteer of PMI who has prepared a work breakdown structure for his daughter's wedding. So it's a scenario where you can use the skills which you learn right at home, for home as well. The other area which I normally stress upon when I talk to people is what I call as the risk ignorance of people in India. And what I mean by risk ignorance is I'm always amazed at the number of people who travel on motorcycles without helmets. I'm amazed at the number of people who travel on motorcycles with more than 2 people in the motorcycle or the scooters. And I have a room which is facing the toll booths here. And I was looking out of the window, and then I was even more amazed to see what is happening. There is one section where the motorcycles are coming on one way, and then they take almost a U-turn and hit the approaching traffic, and then again they take a U-turn to reach the highway. I mean, I was looking at it and thinking, what courage the motorcyclists have to go against the traffic and then take a U-turn back again. This is completely what I would think as risk ignorant. Now, why do I say all this right now here? It's primarily because we have heard this before about the fact this conference is organized by volunteers. Just to give you an idea what I mean by volunteers here is that, remember, they all are working in some other organization for an 8, 10, 12, maybe 14-hour jobs. They're working for organizations like Microsoft, GE, or any of the IT organizations which are here, DLF. So they spend time at the office and then they come and spend time to plan for the conference and execute the conference. This, except for the stage, the audio and lighting, the video, nothing else is outsourced, everything is managed by the volunteers. This does put a lot of pressure on us. But the good thing is, when we make these planning for the conference, there's a lot of processes in place, there's a risk mitigation plan, there's a risk register, the entire plan, the critical path. It's really fun to work with the volunteers when you see them work very passionately on the project management of executing this conference. However, how much ever you plan, and we talk about uncertainty, we do have issues. The issues, one of the issues which came up this time was we had confirmation from speakers 3 months in advance, and in the 11th hour, a couple of them cancelled. For genuine reasons. In one case, the parliament session was extended and the gentleman wanted to be at the constituency. In the other case, it was a matter of health. The speaker is currently in a residential clinic. Now, this adds tremendous amount of tension, and I can assure you and I know it for myself, that the organizing committee and myself have aged a couple of years in the last 1 week. I know that I have lost a lot of weight because I couldn't fit on the score 1 week back. So I know what it means to go through the tensions of trying to organize a conference like this. But I'm glad that we've been able to bring everything back on schedule, get everything on schedule, and I'm sure that you're going to have a great time hearing the various speakers and the panel tracks and the panel discussions. But the other point I want to mention is that when I look at these conferences and the way we organize it, the risks which we have, we realize that how important or how valuable the PMBOK guide is. You just want to go back again and again, get yourself refreshed to understand and see how much more you can implement and learn from the PMBOK guide. Having said that, I would like to sincerely thank a lot of people who support us for the conference. Obviously, I must thank all the delegates who are here, all the guests who are here, without which there's no conference. But also to make it affordable to the delegates, we have people who sponsor us, and I must thank Bhaskar and Ram for the continuous support Microsoft has provided. Product dossier, Pushkar, Ian Bruce, Liam Moyle, ESI, Pankaj, IL, Apurva, Astrovix, Upendra Giri, a good friend of mine. Also, the government, the Planning Commission, Arun Mehra and his team, and Devendra Verma from Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Thank you for your support, because without your support, we couldn't really organize this and have it done at this level. My last words are that, like what Bhaskar said, this conference, when we were organizing the conference and when we were planning the conference, we said it's going to start at 9:30. I believe, I still recall, we've had a close to a couple of hours of discussion with the team, which said that 9:30 in Delhi, we will not have the hall quarter full. Most people who are in Delhi are saying we will not have more than 25% of the people in the hall. I'm the only one who stood there and said, no, we will have. But I know that all of you are what I call the salt of the earth project managers. And for project managers, time is extremely important. So thank you very much for proving Delhi wrong and proving the project management right. Thank you. And have a wonderful time learning.